Japanese electronics major Sony set the cat among the pigeons when it unveiled a prototype electric car at CES. Sony really surprised many people at CES when it uncovered a prototype electric car, the Vision S. Now, talking about the specifications and capabilities, the Vision S can go from 0 to 100 kmph in 4.8 seconds and can hit a top speed of 240 kmph. It is powered by dual 200 kilowatt motors, one each at the front and rear. It has level 2 autonomous driving capabilities, which means it could handle acceleration, braking and steering, but required human intervention to oversee the system. Sony disclosed nothing on battery front. The Vision S is packed with 33 sensors including radar, LiDAR and cameras to enable autonomous driving and other features such as recognizing people and items both inside and outside. It can adjust the in-car settings to match the preference of whoever is inside, and because this is Sony, there is a focus on in-car entertainment. The Vision S has 360 reality audio with speakers in each of the 4 seats headrests. It has a slick user interface too, including a panoramic screen spread across dashboard. All touch screen enabled except a screen behind steering wheel for obvious reason. It is capable of adapting the preference of the driver and can modify settings for a tailor-made commuting experience. Given Sony's expertise with imaging and audio technology, it is no surprise that the in-car entertainment system is quite futuristic. Talked all about the EV, now focusing on what Sony further said. The prototype EV, Sony said, is developed to showcase its technology to auto manufacturers and is not an effort on its part to pivot towards EVs, at least not on its own. However, the Tokyo-based company might be interested in doing more than just pitching in its prowess in electronic engineering. It suggested at the time it didn't intend for the Vision S to be used on public roads. But fast forward 6 months and it might actually be bringing the car to the streets after all. Now the car has arrived in Tokyo and can be seen gliding on roads in an official video. The company revealed that the car has arrived in Tokyo for advancing our sensing and audio technologies. The prototype vehicle is also currently under development for public road testing this fiscal year. Sony said it created the prototype to showcase its technology to auto manufacturers. However, it seems the company is interested in actually doing something more with the car. So, wait for the future.